Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will create one sample form using input tags. Here I am create one page. After that, I am write here form tag. In form tag, I am here write h1 tag. Please fill all details and close this h1 tag. After that, save. Here h1 tag is appear in our page. After that, first label is I am write enter your name, apex input text, id equals to name. Id is the unique identifier of this particular tag. After that, save. We can see here enter your name, and here input text box is appear along with enter your name label. I am simply here add break tag, save. Okay. After that, next field is enter your age. Tag is apex input text, id equals to age. After that, save. We can see here enter your age and input text is appear. Here I am add break tag. Also here I am add break tag. After that, save. Okay. After that, next field is here I am write are you citizen of India, and it should be checkbox. So here I am write apex input checkbox, id is citizen, and here I am add some break tag. After that, save. Now we can see here checkbox is appear. After that, next field is set a username, apex input text, id is username. Save this. We can see here text box is appear. After that, next is set a password, and password is a secret. That's why I'm here write apex input secret, Apex input secret used to mask the character. Here I am right. Input secret ID equals to password. Here I am add some break tag. After that save. Okay, when I am right here password, they need mask the character. After that here I am right next label is enter your address, and it should be a text area apex input text area id is address. After that add some break tag. After that save. We can see here text area is appear. Enter your address. After that I want to add one button, name is save. That's why here I am right tag apex command button and value is save. After that save, we can see here save button is appear. In this way we can create form inside the Visualforce page by using input tags. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.